Are you on the lookout for flowers that can thrive even in scorching heat waves, enduring temperatures as high as 100 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, look no further. In today's video, we'll unveil the top picks for the best flowers for full sun, some of which are remarkably drought tolerant. Let's dive right in. Pentas. Beautiful pentas attract pollinators like bees, hummingbirds, and sunbirds due to the nectar. This is a tough heat-tolerant plant that you can grow in containers. Lantana. Lantana is a common tropical and arid climate flower that blooms year-round in bright colors like red, yellow, orange, white, or pink, and thrives in neglect and heat. Plumbago. Plumbago is a beautiful vine-like African native shrub that thrives with minimal care in the subtropical or tropical heat. Its sky blue flowers appear almost all year long in the right climate. Moonflower. The spectacular display of large and fragrant pure white flowers resembles morning glory and opens in the evening. It flowers year-round in subtropics, but if you live in a temperature region, grow it annually as one of the best annual flowers for full sun. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is low maintenance, can be grown in pots easily, and is available in myriads of colors, and for both temperate and warm climates. Moss rose. With amazing needle-like foliage and bright and colorful small flowers, portulaca plants are worth a place in your container garden, in hanging baskets or window boxes, whether you live in the tropic or in the temperate zone. Blanket flower. Also known as the blanket flower, Gaillardia is a heat-resistant and drought-tolerant plant that belongs to the sunflower family. The blooms look attractive and become excellent cut flowers. King's mantle. Native to Africa, this shrub blooms in shades of violet, purple, and yellow, making it one of the best flowering shrubs for full sun exposure. Mandevilla. Consider the mandevilla for a fast-growing, heat-resistant tropical climber. Blooming heavily with pink, white, or red flowers, it's a fantastic annual for cooler climates. Bottlebrush. Another top pick is the bottlebrush, known for its unique, puffy, bush-like flowers. This shrub thrives in full sun. In cooler zones, remember to bring it indoors before the first frost. Marigold. Loving the sun and heat, marigolds bloom profusely in full sun. With varieties both annual and perennial, they are a top choice for full sun gardens. Angelonia. Starting this segment with Angelonia, also known as the summer snapdragon. Ideal for full sun. This heat-resistant plant is typically grown as an annual. Angelonia flowers come in an array of colors like blue, green, orange, pink, red, white, and yellow, adding a splash of color to any garden. Canna lily. These tropical beauties need warmth, full sun, and moist soil. Depending on the variety, they can range from 1 to 8 feet tall, blooming in stunning shades of red, orange, and yellow. Desert rose. Consider the desert rose or adenium for a quick bonsai project. Perfect for those frost-free zones, this magnificent plant blooms with beautiful tubular flowers. In temperate zones, it's an excellent houseplant choice. Coxcomb. Celosias or coxcombs are generally annuals and thrive in full sun. Growing them in containers is a fantastic way to enjoy these unique flowers on your patio or balcony. Petunia. Petunias are a classic favorite. Loving sun and heat, they're popular annuals, though perennial in warmer climates. Their frost-tender nature makes them a splendid choice for sunny spots. Texas bluebonnets. Texas bluebonnets, the state flower of Texas, are excellent for full sun. They're also great for container gardening, making them versatile for various garden settings. Princess flower. The princess flower is stunning, with silver and downy buds opening into deep purple blossoms. Its velvety green foliage makes it a standout, whether grown as a perennial or an annual. Salvia. Salvia comes in both annual and perennial species. However, annuals are more suited for container gardening. They bloom in deep purple, blue, orange, and red, adding vibrant hues to your garden. Ground orchids. Ground orchids offer colorful clusters of blooms and arching foliage. Available in shades from deep pink to yellow, they can be grown as annuals, bringing a touch of exotic beauty to your space. Diamond frost euphorbia. Diamond frost euphorbia thrives in full sun, but also blooms in partial shade. This tender perennial, often planted as an annual, has a mounding habit with upright stems, producing white blooms throughout the season. Bolivian begonia. Bolivian begonias, especially those with bronze foliage, excel in full sun. Their unique serrated leaves and bright fiery red flowers are perfect for containers and hanging baskets. Million bells. Million bells, suitable for growing as annuals in all zones, flourish in full sun to part shade. They prefer moist, rich, well-draining soil and flower continuously in a variety of colors. Bidens. Bidens offer stunning red and gold blooms, perfect for containers. Also consider Suntory Lobelia Trailing White and Surfinia Deep Red for vibrant color options. Sun Patiens. Sun Patiens grow very well in containers, even in full sun and partial shade as well. You can grow bright orange flowers of vigorous clear orange Sun Patiens for natural sunshade in your outdoor spaces. Sweet Alyssum. Snow Princess is a heat and sun-tolerant variety and blooms non-stop all summer long. You can grow it as a sun-tolerant plant in containers. Sunflower. Sunflowers are a classic choice. Thriving in full sun, they bloom during summer and early fall. Varieties like Lemon Queen and Sulsation Flame are perfect for containers, bringing a touch of grandeur to your garden. Globe Amaranth. These lollipop-like flowers in shades of purple, pink, and red are butterfly magnets. They add a whimsical touch to any sun-drenched garden. Spider flower. Senorita Rosalita Cleome is a thornless version and looks great in containers. This beautiful annual is easy to grow in a warm location and under full sun. Rose. Roses are not to be overlooked. Surprisingly well-suited for containers, they flourish on patios, decks, and balconies. Just ensure they get 5 to 6 hours of full sun daily and good air circulation. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea with its year-round flowers is another excellent container plant. These vibrant bloomers need 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight and prefer dry soil between waterings. Yellow bellflower. Best suited for warm frost-free climates, Tacoma dazzle in full sunlight. Whether as a climbing vine or a border plant in containers, their tubular blooms in shades of pink, red, orange, and yellow are stunning. Bleeding heart vine. This plant needs direct sunlight to showcase its best. In spring and summer, it produces clusters of star-shaped flowers, adding a whimsical touch to your garden. Oleander. Next is oleander, a robust ornamental shrub. It graces gardens with large clusters of flowers in pink, red, yellow, or white, blooming throughout the year. A perfect pick for continuous color. Arabian jasmine. Arabian jasmine, the pride of the Philippines, is known for its intensely fragrant white blossoms. Its glossy, deep green foliage complements the blooms that last all summer and even year-round in warm climates. Vinca. Vinca, or Madagascar periwinkle, stands out as one of the most resilient flowers. It can handle heat and occasional mist waterings. Its prolific blooming nature makes it a garden favorite. Gazania. Moving on to gazanias. These cheerful flowers have large, striking petals in bright colors, adorned with contrasting stripes. They're a top pick for sunny spots. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susans are known for their bright petals and dark centers. These strong-stemmed flowers are a classic choice for sun-drenched gardens. Zinnia. Zinnias are loved for their round, full blossoms available in numerous colors. From petite to plate-sized, they add a vibrant splash to any sunny space. Mexican sunflower. The Mexican sunflower is a late summer charmer. Its vibrant orange flowers not only brighten the garden, but also attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Cosmos. Cosmos flowers with their feathery foliage come in pink, purple, and white. Ideal for full sun window boxes, they add a soft, graceful touch to your garden. Nasturtium. Nasturtiums are unique for their edible, trumpet-shaped flowers and rounded leaves. They come in warm hues, perfect for adding both color and flavor to your garden. Mullein. Mulleins are known for their soft, fuzzy leaves and tall spires of yellow flowers. They are a favorite among bees and other pollinators. Mexican heather. Mexican heather, with its delicate purple blooms and glossy leaves, is ideal for adding a pop of color to your garden's borders and containers. Snapdragon. Snapdragons are famous for their tall, showy flowers and unique dragon mouth shape. They come in a variety of colors, adding height and drama to any arrangement. Dusty Miller. Dusty Miller is known for its silvery gray foliage, providing a unique texture and contrast. It's a top choice for borders, especially since it can tolerate high temperatures. Sneezeweed. Last but not least, sneezeweed. This easy-to-grow perennial loves the full sun and displays attractive daisy-like flowers blooming in late summer and fall. And that concludes our list of the best flowers for full sun. Each of these plants brings a unique charm to your garden, ensuring a bright and lively display. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.